Here it is, guys. Georgia Suffolk construction update. And look at that, guys. The station is complete. And they've already built like half of the entrance path, the wood and stuff. It's pretty cool. They still haven't gotten far. I see some sprinklers are down there now. You can see they've added sprinkler systems now, I guess, down there. But the station is about done. It's painted over there too. They still haven't done any land work, like put grass in yet. Unless they're gonna open it like this and then just slowly do the landscape, but I don't know. I don't think it's gonna make it to summer. Or they said end of summer, but I think end of summer is September, I think. Don't quote me, I don't know, honestly. But look, they painted the roof blue. When I was on mine train, the other side was gray. Well, it looked gray. No, it's blue. Well, look at that. It looks nice. They got station blue. They even got the control panel right there. So the control panel is there. The air conditioner's a little tacky, but they have the control panel there. But yeah, a lot of folks said they might see gum on this, hopefully not. And they took the flag down. But that's about it for construction update for Georgia Surf. Can't wait.